You know that little PS you see at the bottom of sales letters? The postscript? Yeah, that thing. Seems kind of like an afterthought. Sort of like, oh, hey, here's one more place to persuade you to buy my stuff. So here's the thing. Because it seems like such a trivial little thing, just a couple lines shoved down at the bottom of a letter, a lot of marketers don't put too much time or care into crafting their PS. You know what? That's a huge mistake. You see, your PS is one of the most important parts of your sales copy. That's because it's read more than almost any other part of the copy, except for the headline. So, your PS can really do a whole lot to make or break your conversion rate. Question is, what should you put in your PS? That's exactly what this video is about, so kick back and take a look. The first thing you need to know is that no matter what sort of PS you create, ideally it should include a call to action. In other words, your PS should drop a link and tell people to buy the product. So let's look at some of the ways you can use this important piece of sales real estate. One effective way to use your PS is to remind prospects of your product's biggest benefits. You don't want to necessarily use the exact same benefit you used in the headline. That's because some of your prospects are going to read the headline, then skim straight down to the PS. So for those skimmers, you want to give them some new piece of information, something to gain their interest in what you're offering. Also, you don't need to limit yourself to just one benefit. Your PS can offer a recap of the top benefits. For example, PS, if you're ready to lose weight, feel better, and look 10 years younger, then click here to get the only program that will help you achieve these goals. Next up, the second effective use of your PS is to bring up a benefit you hadn't yet mentioned in the copy. This might be a benefit that appeals to a subset of the population, or you might mention a bonus or discount offer for the first time. For example, PS, I almost forgot. If you order right now, you'll get free access into a private members-only support forum. You can't fail when so many others are cheering you on. So click here to get started now. A third effective use of your PS is to drop some more social proof in front of your prospects. In other words, insert a strong testimonial at the end. For example, PS, Susan from Los Angeles lost 52 pounds and kept it off with this amazing program. Just look what she has to say about it. And then of course you'd insert the testimonial. Next up, a fourth effective way to use your PS is to handle objections. One way to do this is to reiterate your guarantee. This strategy is particularly powerful if you do this alongside a recap of the biggest benefits. It's like saying, hey, this product is the solution to your problems, and if it doesn't work, you'll get your money back. Of course, that's just one type of objection. Your prospects may have other objections, such as the high cost of your product or some other factor. You'll need to figure out what are the most common objections, perhaps by talking to your prospects, and then handle the biggest objections right there in your PS. A fifth effective way to use your PS is to present another clear call to action. Now, you'll notice I said before that no matter how you use your postscript, ideally it should include a call to action. The difference between this PS and the others is that your call to action is the centerpiece of the PS. The idea is to tell people to buy now and then give them a really good reason to do so. This reason might include a limited time discount or a limited time bonus offer. For example, PS, remember if you act now, you can save $50. This special won't last long, so click here to order now. Another way to create urgency in the PS is by stoking a bit of fear about what might happen if they don't take action. For example, just look at the way insurance companies urge you to buy insurance. They get you imagining that your whole house is going to burn down, and you'll be left destitute and homeless. A PS on an insurance sales letter might look something like this. PS. It's frightening to imagine the fire alarm going off in the middle of the night. You gather up your family, you're safe. But you watch as everything you own burns to the ground. Many people never recover from something like this. Buy yourself peace of mind by clicking here now. Protect your family, protect yourself. Order now. So that's it for this time. Be sure to check out the recommended resources section to get links to advanced training and a variety of tools to help you grow your business.